Hi you guys, this is Allison hanging out in my space to craft, and I'm getting ready for my vacation. I have 10 page kits ready to go, but between pages, I like to do cards, either with the scraps from that page or scraps I have sitting on my desk. So I thought I would put together a little card kit that I can use to pull for cards. So I have some card bases here. I have 8 regular A2 card bases, and these are the long fold A2 card bases. 4 of those, 6 of these and 4 of these for 10 total. I have pulled some stamps. This one is not so much for cards, but for scrapbooking, but it's just a whole bunch of different arrows and stuff that would be fun and easy to use. The Paige Evans Adventurous stamps, also useful for traveling. I could also do this for cards. This is summer travel related, since those are the type pages. And then I have 3 that I can use for cards. So this one has happy, hello, celebrate, and hugs, and then all different mix and match words. So that's very useful, and I've never used it. I haven't used it yet, so I'm excited to bring this along. This one has, this is your year, happy B-Day, let's pretend it's still your birthday, birthday hugs and kisses, so a nice variety of birthday wishes. And then this one, in addition to the happy birthday and celebrate you, there are some icons on here that are good to use. So that's all the stamps that I'm going to bring on vacation with me. I pulled out my Fiskars stamp blocks. They're easy to use, and they're much lighter weight than the acrylic blocks. So just bringing those with me. My VersaFine Clair in black and brown. And then I haven't pulled any colored yet. I will pull some colored ink, I think. But I have Hickory Smoke, Black Soot, and Walnut Stain. That's for on pages and stamps. And then I've gone through and sorted out, I'll be bringing my Scout, which is limited to 2.5 inches wide, I think. Oh, it's 3 inches wide. So that's the limit. So I went through all of my dies and pulled a few that I thought would work. So here's some shapes and squares that I can use to make tags and embellishments or on cards. I pulled some hearts and some circles and some tags. These are all stitched, so that's nice. Some different shapes, some ovals, some scallop circles, a little tag. I use this a lot on cards because sentiments tend to fit in here. Hexagons and stars, and that's for making embellishments on scrapbook pages. I have some flora and fauna, including some palm trees, and I've even got a couple pre-cut on there. So that's going to come away. A variety of flowers. I know I might want to make some small flowers even on some of the pages. And then here's some bigger flowers that I could make for cards. And then I'm just bringing 3 alphabet dies. A fat, chunky, balloony one, a slimmer line but still fun font, and then a real plain stitched font. So between those 3, I should be able, I could even make cards out of them if I wanted. I have not brought any word dies yet. I may add those to this. Let's check that real quick. So I've got a happy birthday and let's celebrate. I've got a thanks, a thank you, bonjour, family, beautiful memories. So the memories might work. I'll hold this one out for a minute. This says adventure. That one might work. So maybe I'm gonna combine these onto a couple. And then these say happy birthday, thank you just for you. I've used these quite a bit, so I'm okay if I don't keep that one. This will work for a title though. This is yeehaw, howdy, giddy up. So no to those. Grateful, happy birthday. This is a whole bunch. I don't use those so much. I love this hello, so I think I want to take that one. And then I've got this happy birthday. I like this happy birthday. All right, I think I'll just be taking one set with me. This says sun. I'm gonna make one card, I think. What's this say? This says beach. This says summer. I don't need that one. This says vacation. Do I have two fun words? This says sun. And this says fun. All right, so I'm going to combine these. This one's, it's okay. I really should move these to a different, to where my alphas are. They don't really belong here. Okay. And then this, I will put all of these on here. Hello. And it looks great on a card. And I like this happy birthday. So let's see if we can get this all to fit. All right, that's all the word dies. Oh, and one more word, fun. All right, that's all my word dies I'm taking. All right, and then I have some paper scraps and things. I did record all of this, but somehow lost the video. But I have, let me show you what's in this little packet. So I just pulled out some scraps from my scrap bin. Like, I think some of these go together. And this go together. And then I pulled a couple of pre-made sentiments from my little stash. This one says, "You're a Peach." These are ones that I made. Age Awareness Day, thinking of you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. So I've got those. I have this embellishment that I made for Ginger's Corner, which is real cute, a hummingbird. So I think that's going to go with one of these, like this purple set of paper. And then I went into some other scraps that I had of 4x6s. So I have all of these from, I think it's Gingham Garden from My Mind's Eye. I can get at least a couple of cards out of that. I have these two different ones, like if I wanted to do a monochromatic, I could use this. And then this and this go together. These are from Spellbinders. And then a couple of pieces of glitter paper to embellish as needed. So that's all I have paper-wise, and what I'm going to do is supplement these with the scraps from my pages that I should be able to get quite a few cards out of that. And then I just started pulling some Nuvo drops for enhancement on these. I may also pull, I tend not to use enamel dots, but I do like to use gems on cards, so I may pull a few gems out as well. But this will work. These will also work on some of the pages that I'm doing as well. So just a few Nuvo drops, stickles, things like that. And my Scout and my glue. I'll have to bring some I use this a lot, but I'm not going to bring it. I want to use smaller things, so I'm going to bring some of these things as dimensional adhesive. So I'll add a little bit of dimensional adhesive here. And some glue dots. My old stamp cleaner and a rag to go with it. And that's it for now. In the next video, I'm going to go through everything that I have packed tool-wise for scrapbooking. So please come back for the next prep video.